Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your display name or username in Boo dating application. If you recently joined Boo and want to update your name, fix a typo or just give your profile a new identity, here is how you do it. First of all, launch the Boo app open on your smartphone and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded menu that pops up on the screen, tap on Edit Profile. You'll then come across your profile section where you'll need to scroll down and look for the name option and tap on it. Write down your new display name or username in the text box. Once done, click on Update. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your name in the Boo account. Your new name will then reflect on your account. So that is how you can easily change your name in Boo in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.